Hi everyone, I'm Nick from Imagine Children's Museum. I'm here with my friends Tally and Emily and Tom, and we're here to celebrate Pi Day. March 14th is Pi Day, and we call it Pi Day because of the digits 314. You may have heard that pi is about 3.14 and a whole bunch of other numbers after that, but we want to actually show you what pi really means, and we want you to try at home to see if you can also figure out what pi means. So each of us has a circular object in front of us here. In fact, I can just use this tape roll as my circular object. And we also have some string and a pair of scissors. We found all of these objects around the museum that are circular or have circles in them. You might not look at this right away and think that it's a circle, but if you turn it that way, it's a circle. And some of these don't have circles that are the same size all the way. The circle at the top of this bucket is a little bit larger than the circle at the bottom of this bucket. So when you're choosing an object at home, just make sure that you're picking one circle and sticking to it. So what you are going to do, and what I'm going to ask all my friends to do here, is to take a piece of string and to try and wrap it around their circular object. And we want to cut that string so that it is exactly the length of the outside of the circle. Now, if you have trouble doing that, or if the string isn't staying in place, you can try using a little piece of tape to hold it in place. Take your string and put it across the widest part of that circle and cut it. And we've got two. Do we still have string left?
Yes.
Looks like we do. Take your string and put it across the widest part of that circle. And cut it one more time. All right. We've laid out our string. Tally, how many pieces of string did you get?
4 strings, 3 that are the same, and 1 tiny little tail.
Oh, 3 pieces of string plus a little bit more. Emily, how about you?
The same, actually. I have 3 long pieces and 1 little piece.
And 1 little bit more. And Tom?
Exactly the same. 3 of equal length and 1 small piece.
So that right there is pi. No matter how big or how small the circle, when you measure the outside of the circle, the circumference is the word we use for that, and then you measure the diameter of the circle, the relationship between them is always going to be 3 plus a little more. We hope you try this at home with some circular objects around your house. And have a happy Pi Day from Imagine Children's Museum, the place where fun begins and learning never ends.